We are primarily into video monitoring solutions, and what we exactly do is a service called IVIS. It's called Intensive Vigilance and Intervention System, where we deploy our equipment outdoor and stream the live video over wireless, over cloud to the monitoring centers in Hyderabad, and we watch the video around the clock. And in case if something suspicious happens in front of the cameras, we also raise the alarms and unleash deterrents so that crime is stopped before it even starts. So that's the proactive way of preventing the crime rather than doing a post-mortem analysis after theft happens. Okay. So we are going beyond conventional way of doing security, and we are going one step ahead and trying to stop the crime before it even starts. So that's our primary business model. So we are exhibiting this in Indian exhibitions, expos, and in conferences. IFSEC has been a great platform because it happens in Delhi. It is a national platform, and a lot of international partners come in, a lot of system integrators come in. So we have a good networking event where we can meet up with potential clients, potential customers, vendors, suppliers, and also international suppliers. So most of the, we also build equipment which is required for our day-to-day monitoring. Okay. Since we are also building equipment, we need components which can be part of that equipment. So obviously we need suppliers. We need suppliers who are going to supply what is required for us, and we need customers who are going to utilize this equipment, the integrated suppliers, appliance. We call it as integrated appliance because we bundle multiple technologies, including cameras, including sensors, including audio, video, wireless. There are multiple technologies, high-tech, future-ready equipment, which is part of our appliance. And this is a kind of portable equipment. This can be hooked onto a pole or a wall, and it starts streaming immediately, instantaneously, without any other intervention. It comes to our center. The live feed comes to our center. Our monitors see it round the clock, and we deter the events, any incidents, any suspicious incidents, untoward incidents, instantaneously. So we have deployed this globally over 900 locations. We are watching 3,000 cameras live every day, day in and day out, and we are able to successfully stop the crime by 98%. Wherever we have deployed our equipment, wherever we have deployed our solution, we are able to stop the crime by 98%. And not only that, we are also able to reduce the security guard costs by 70% to the clients. Okay. In Western world, in US and UK, in physical guard security, the costs have gone down by 70%. Okay. So that's our specialty. So we thought that the same solution will be very useful in India, and we have started launching. Last year FSEC, we launched it. Okay. And this year FSEC, we are hoping to double our demand and double our customer. So the technology includes its conventional CCTV plus the actual latest equipment of the firmware, the equipment firmware. We control, we upgrade, we build. Okay. So the entire equipment is controlled by our team in India, wherever it is deployed across the world. So we have a patented technology, okay, path-breaking technology, which is part of this equipment. And that combines this regular security equipment like sensors, like alarms, like CCTV. So all those existing technologies are bundled with our special equipment using our own firmware and controlled across the world. Target markets include construction sites, warehouses, open material yards, storage yards, parking lots, ATMs, okay, even advertisement boards. You will be surprised. In India, people want to even watch their advertisement boards and also give live access to their clients, yeah, on how the advertisement is looking. Who wants to see their advertisement, how it is running in that week or in that month for whatever period the board is hired. When the board changes to some other ad, immediately the client has to change, the access has to change, the link has to expire for the old client, and new link has to be given to the new client. So tearing of the board, any vandalism on the board is all watched. Yeah. ATMs, any vandalism, theft is prevented using our solution. In construction sites, open material yards, there are a lot of material dumped outside. So we are preventing the crime and stopping the theft in that material yard. Yeah. Storage warehouses, lot of bags, lot of stock, and sometimes there is no light inside. So all that equipment we are protecting, all the stock we are protecting, and making sure theft is stopped before it even starts. We have started around 6 years back, okay, and we have been selling in US and UK so far. In India, yes. In India, this is a recent start. And we have already installed around 200 units, okay, of ours, 200 cameras, and we are watching live today. Okay. And this year and next year, and we have very prestigious brands, prestigious clients already, okay, big brands in India. Some of them include the advertisement board, as I said, big ad agency, in India, and very big rail project in India. And ATMs, banks are talking to us in a big way. We are already doing trials for national banks in India. So this year and next year, hoping to be kind of a great years. We are using some. So one includes this kind of exhibitions. IFSEC is one of the platforms that we are using. Okay. IFSEC kind of exhibitions we are exhibiting. We are also doing advertisement campaign in security magazines, okay. And we are also doing Google online campaign. Okay. And we have our own traditional way of marketing. Okay. So we have our own sales team taking care of the frontline sales.